You can also set workflow preferences in Adobe Camera RAW as you like. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the gear icon right here. And once you do that, you can go around onto the workflow area. Once you do that, you can see the preset settings right here, but I don't have any saved presets. So you can go around and choose different options right here, like the color space that you want to use. So I'm just going to go around and go for, let's say for example, Apple RGB, and these are simply different ways that the camera processes the images. And the depth of the bit right here can be changed as well, like from 8-bit to 16-bit. And the difference between bits in channels is in difference in millions, and it's just not a small bit of difference. So over here you can see that there's 8-bit of color channel where you have certain range of colors, but as soon as you choose 16-bit of channels, there's more range of colors. So that is what you can choose. You can go around over here and you can see that there's different color ranges that you can select right here. You can also simulate paper and ink, as you can see, and you can go around and see how that actually is simulated over here. You can intend it to be perpetual as well. You can resize the fit right here, like a certain size, like 1000 by 1000 pixel, and you can change around the resolution to 300 pixels per inch as well, or you can also do 600 according to how you want right here. You can sharpen for screen right here, and the amount of sharpen can be high or low as well. And you can also use the open in Photoshop as a smart object, and this is something that we're going to see in upcoming videos. So you can set the workflow settings as you like and press OK, and the image will behave as you like, and the print is actually being simulated over here just like this, as you can see right here. So even if I were to increase out the contrast, you can see that the blacks are not totally black. You can get back onto default right here by not simulating paper and ink, and now it is back to normal again. So that is how you can change around the workflow preferences according to how you want. Choose the color space according to how you want and get detailed settings just like that. So it all depends on what your output should be and on what you're editing for. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.